Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for lock screen in Realme 9 Pro Plus. And to do this we need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find system settings. Right here you can see gestures and motions. You also need to allow every permission, and then let's check how they work on the lock screen. First one is a screen of gestures, so that's entire tab dedicated to lock screen gestures. I'm gonna cover it at the end of the video, so let's go through the first page. And here we have swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So on an unlocked phone it works like that, so that's one, and the second one is a partial screenshot like that. Now to actually check that on lock screen we need to lock our phone. Then probably it won't work when your phone is in sleep mode, so you need to wake it up and then try to do it. This function doesn't work, but this one works fine. Next we have raise to wake, and this will work like that. We lock our phone, pick it up, and the screen should wake without pressing any button. Lift to ear to answer call. Now if you have received any calls you can pick your phone up and lift it to your ear, and then it should answer the call. Auto switch to receiver works the same way but with the receiver. And last is flip to mute to all incoming calls. So you lock your phone, place it upside down, and then all calls will be muted. It works kind of like do not disturb mode. Now let's move on to the screen of gestures. We need to enable them. To see the list, there's double tap to wake or turn off screen, and let's enable that. Now let's try it. So it works fine. Next one is draw O to open camera, draw V to turn on or off a flashlight, and also music control. Let's enable them all, and I'm gonna show you them really quick. So we lock our phone, draw O, and this should launch our camera. Another one is draw V, like that, and this turns on our flashlight. We can turn it off the same way. And last one was a music player control, and this works also kind of easy. So you can draw pause to play or stop music, draw arrow to the right to play next track, and draw arrow to the left to play the previous track. And that will be it. Next and the last ones are the custom gestures. So you can click on add gesture, pick which gesture you'll be using. So let's go with draw arrow pointing up, and here you can pick the function of this specific gesture, like unlock, make a call, or open up. Now let's go for Google Play Store and try to do it. Draw arrow up, and here we can see that the Google Play Store launches. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.